How does the stock market work? Before investing in the stock market, you must first understand how it functions. This type of market is one in which parts of companies are bought and sold. These parts are known as stocks and represent the financial interest. Any company that wishes to be traded on a stock exchange must be publicly held, which simply means they must allow investors to purchase stocks through an open market. Raising capital is often the reason a company begins to offer stocks for sale. The capital is then used to expand or finance the day-to-day operations of the company. When these changes result in profits, each stockholder will receive a share. When money is lost, investors lose too. The stock market itself is one central location where stocks are bought and sold. It's not a building or store though. There is no physical structure that one can look to when referring to the exchange. Most do associate either the New York Stock Exchange or Wall Street with this industry. The stock market is much bigger than that though. The reason these two are associated with the stock market is that they do a great deal of volume. When determining which is the global principal stock exchange, the New York Stock Exchange will most likely come to mind. One must remember that not all stocks are traded on this index though. What makes this index so well known is the fact that it is where one will find the stock of major companies which are both well respected and impressive. Money is needed to invest here and many investors choose to do so through the broker, as this allows the investor to bypass the floor trader to buy and sell. The stock market actually consists of two markets known as the primary and secondary markets. When one wants to purchase securities from an initial public offering, the investor will head to the primary market. This offering is the first sale of a company stock and has a base price. Once this occurs, the stocks will now be those of a publicly held company. The secondary market is the one that most are familiar with, as stocks of publicly held companies are traded here. Most, when thinking of the stock market, tend to think of the secondary market.